It's a day before the tie. How are you feeling?
Very confident. We're all really happy and excited to get going. The team has had a great week of practice. So yeah, tomorrow should be a great day of tennis for everyone.
And what do you want to say to Jamaicans?
Hoping to have all of your support tomorrow.
You've been in the camp practicing for a couple of days now. How are you feeling about tomorrow, the chances of Jamaica?
Yeah, I think our chances are pretty good. Practices have been really good. Just been going out there, working on some stuff, working on some specifics, and just hopefully it translates tomorrow. And we're just going to leave it all out there on the court.
Well, yeah, super excited to finally play. Saturday and Sunday, we've been training hard. This week, been out on the courts. Team is looking in great form. Everyone's, come together. Everyone's playing well, feeling good out there. So just ready for tomorrow and hoping to get through it.
Feeling great, to be honest. I think I'm playing some of the best tennis I've played in my life, and I'm really trusting my preparation going into this tie. We've done a lot of work leading up to this moment, and I was telling someone I've played a lot of English Cup matches now. I came into the team when I was at a very high level, and there's always been high standards for this team, and of course I think that's how it should be, representing your country. I really take a lot of pride in that.
Well, we're very excited to be here. We have a good team. We've done really well in the past, and as Darian said, it really is about putting it all out on field. So we've come up to give them some support. We're expecting an excellent tie, and we're expecting an excellent result. So Barbados is here to give it its best.
Everybody knows that Group 3 is the group of death. It's just unfortunate that two English-speaking Caribbean countries have to play. Barbados has been in Group 1, so we know what it's like to be successful at Davis Cup. So, as I said, may the best man.
But from my perspective, I think it's a favourable draw for us. Well, Blaze as a hot gun taking the court first. I think it's always important to set the tempo in a tie like this. We're confident we lead from the front, and God's willing, once we get off that good start, momentum is always important in any sport. So I think, as I say, I'm speaking just from me personally, but I think I did a very good job picking the right ball. I'm happy to want it.
Okay, and how's the venue? Everything ready down there?
Yeah, we're 95%, but in a couple hours I'm sure we'll be 100%. The ITF referee has been here keeping us on our toes, and as I said it earlier, but I'll say it again, credit to Tanios. I think without him the venue wouldn't be where it is. The entire Tennis Jamaica team, but I want to single him out for his hard work. The venue has been fully transformed. I think it looks beautiful. It's going to be a first world event, but we're definitely hoping for strong home support, electric vibe down the tension.